Washing machine drain overflowing really falls into a category of troubleshooting your machine. The majority of our service calls are typically derived on washing machines from two areas: water valves and drain valves. Because water is corrosive, over time, it ruins seals, it gets calcium buildup, it causes problems. A water valve can, over time, corrode enough that it will stick open and not shut off. And it will allow water to come in all the time. That can cause overflowing. So the drain's closed, the water keeps coming in, even though the machine says, hey, I'm full, shut off the water valve, it keeps coming, there's an overflow, it goes out. We get calls frequently about, hey, even after the machine is spun out, the clothes are still wet. What's happened is the water valve, typically, the water valve is still open, so it's spinning out, then it stops, and the water gets it all wet again. Now, there are times when the machine didn't spin it out properly because it's out of balance or something else, but majority of the time, it's a water valve sticking. Drain valves, the same thing. We kind of talked a little bit about that, where they may not want to close all the way, or they get stuck and they stay open and the water just passes through the whole time, so then you get an error message, hey, we got a fill error. The water's coming in and water's going out. It never reaches level. Two places to go check immediately before you need to call a service tech is go look at your water valve, see when the machine's not running, is the water running out of the drain, or you can hear water running, you know it's a water valve. We've talked about the drain valves at the machine, that those are easy to fix. Once you get past the washer, then you start getting into drain problems at the facility level. Yes, I'd recommend you get a qualified plumber out there to go look at snaking your drains that are going outside of the building to the sewer. But you don't need any specialized tools or even specialized really knowledge to be able to do water valves and drain valves in particular. We cover that at our service schools. We help customers come in and not be afraid to take a look at it. We're a small business, they're small businesses, we're all trying to manage a dollar. And if we can teach somebody how to take care of the real basics, they're gonna be a much happier customer in the long run by not having to spend a bunch of money on a service call that they can take care of. Save those calls when you've got a real electrical problem, bearings, motor, something that's more serious that really should have a qualified technician take a look at.